The Honor X60 and the Honor X60 Pro are set to launch in China on October 16th. Recent reports have already leaked the key specifications of the standard model Honor X60, which will come equipped with the Dimensity 7025 chipset. Now, a fresh leak on Weibo, Honor X60 Pro. The Pro variant come in basalt gray, burning orange, sky blue, and elegant black. The Honor X60 Pro will feature a 6.78-inch curved-edge AMOLED screen with 120Hz refresh rate. X60 Pro feature a 108MP main sensor, and it will pack dual selfie cameras in a pill-shaped cutout. The Honor X60 Pro will feature the Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 with up to 12GB RAM and 512GB storage. The Honor X60 Pro is that it packs a huge 6,600 mAh battery, 800 mAh more than the X50, with 66W fast charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.